What's good, future millionaires? We back with another Volted banger, man. So shout out to the entire DD army, whole DD nation, everybody rocking with me. Shout out to the Volt army. Make sure y'all hit that like button upon pulling up. Y'all know March has been officially Volted. March Madness was absolutely crazy. We still got a few different catalysts to come. This week, we still have the Volted debit cards coming where you can use a physical version or the virtual version. So whether you're waiting for the card to come, you still be able to have access to a virtual card if you choose so. So the Volted card going live within the next 5 days. 6 cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDT, USDC, and BUSD that you'll be able to send from your wallet directly to your physical or virtual card. Now, the Volted utility behind this is that you'll have to hold on to 200 million shiinu tokens in order to use this. So let's say, someone is interested in using this feature, even if they, aren't big advocates of the shiinu army and they're just looking to use this utility, they would still have to support shiinu in a way. So this is what we like to see, utility coming back into shiinu. Now let's take a look at this. The 6th buyback has been voted, 4 more to come and voted ahead. So take a look at this right now. shiinu is burning $100,000 worth of Volt over the next 10 days from the circulating supply. Now this is directly from the circulating supply. This is not bridge liquidity. This is moving tokens out of circulation, making each one of the tokens we hold more valuable. So you can see that burn here. This is the 6th one of those. So $60,000 so far has been burned straight from the circulating supply. Still another $40,000 to go. So even though the prices is trading kind of sideways, we're still building up. You can only compress something for so long before it begins to explode. And that's what we're seeing take place here with shiinu. Still growing, just hit 65,000 holders, 108 projects on using the VoltiChange widget. We're about to be released on Steam later on this week as well, which is a major gaming platform. We only got, matter of fact, we got a few things we can cover down here. Take a look at this when we look at the VDSC NFTs. I thought this was really interesting. So only 64 or 1% of the VDSC dragons are listed for sale. The listed supply has never been this low. So if you're interested in NFTs, the Voltage Dragon Sailor Club might be one of the projects you want to check out. So days away from the VDSC alpha release on Steam, but still a few months away from the final game release with its benefits for the dragon. So you definitely want to be holding on to these NFTs before these benefits go out. And usually what happens, what we see is you have to be holding on to one of these NFTs from a certain period of time in order to take part in these benefits. So don't take my word for it, but if you like NFTs, you are a Voltage community member, check out the Voltage Dragon Sailor Club as well. So wanted to just show y'all that. Shout out to Game Bangers. He says, there's nothing worse than watching a project make everyone money while you sit and complain about market conditions. Good vibes only. Bullish on Volt, even more bullish on crypto. Come hang with the gang. 12 p.m. Shout out to him. Shout out to Space Chick as well. Shout out to He Not Crypto as well. People who constantly, keep the communities updated on shiinu, what's going on. That shows us that shiinu is very, very strong. It has a ton of different influencers who are excited about the project with large communities who, the communities are also excited about Volt. So that's why we see shiinu constantly pushing forward. And, also we got solid development, can't forget that. But these utilities we're seeing, VoltiChange, VoltiFlex, VoltiSoft coming, how can people not, want to rock with this project? So let's see what Pablo has to say. He says, when you look at the mirror, are you fully satisfied? I'm not. My mission is to break 1,000 millionaires, and I will do it, blood, sweat, and tears. So let's get it today at 6 p.m. Shout out to Pablo for having that strong mission right there. It's a powerful goal when you can not only, make money for yourself, but also help bring people along with you. There are people who will, appreciate that and, rock with you forever for that. So that's our Voltage update for today. We can take a look at the price real quick, even though I don't want y'all to get too, emotional regarding price. Because remember, the markets are volatile. This is a long-term journey. Investing is long-term. Trading or speculation is short-term. If you're an investor, you're in it to win it, man. So let's take a look right now. shiinu up 0.3%, sitting at that 1605 level. Take a look at this pullback that we're seeing. People were paying happily at that 2,000 points per coin for Volt. So now to have the opportunity to get some at the 16 level might not be a bad idea. Remember, you want to buy the dip. You don't want to chase the rips. A lot of people wait till they see the candles in green, they see the price pumping, and then that's when they want to buy in versus taking advantage of the price pulling back from recent highs and then getting in. We can see RSI at a 42 below that neutral point of 50, so kind of moving towards being oversold. We also see the price balancing right off the or supported right off that lower Bollinger Band, still trading above our 200-day moving average, which is a bullish signal. Tells us that Volt is still in a bull rally, or it's bullish at the moment. And then we got the MACD is pulled back far under the signal line. Once it does cross this is going to be a sign for investors to go long. So you basically want to get in before everybody makes their mind up and they start to look at the green candles on the chart format. That's for those that want to increase their bag size. But that's all we got for this video. We got Volt again at that 1605 level right now. Appreciate everybody for pulling up, and we are out.